Hi everyone. So let us have here our learning objectives for this lesson. So I want you to read with me. First objective, identify different kinds of notes and rests. Second, know the values of notes and rests. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify different kinds of notes and rests. And at the same time, you are expected to know the values of these notes and rests. Are you ready? Okay, let's proceed. Music is made of sounds and silences, right? We have some gaps, and then we have some sounds in a music, and that is what we call the sounds and silences. So what are those? In music, we use different symbols, right? So these symbols are notes and rests. These symbols are used to indicate sounds and silences. How's that? When we are using notes, it means the music has its sound. Where this hurt, you show me what healing. When we use rest, it means you need to take a rest. But take note, notes and rest also have their beats. Even the rest. Even though rest is for silences in the music, it has its beat also. Next, let's proceed for notes. Notes, these are the symbols of tones. Do not forget that notes are tones. Rests, these are silence in music. Do not forget that rest are the silence in music, but they have beats. Okay? So later on, you're going to know why Teacher Syra is saying that rest, even though they are in silence mode or silent mode, they have beats. So in here, we're going to identify the different kinds of notes and rests. So we have first the whole note. Whole note looks like this. It's like a circle. Whole rest looks like this. Of course, if we have whole note and whole rest, next we have half note and half rest. As you have noticed, half rest is only the opposite of whole rest. Can you see the difference? Whole note, half rest. Next, we have the quarter note. Quarter note and the quarter rest. Next, we have the eighth note and the eighth rest. As you can see, they have the same hook. One hook or head for eighth note and another head or hook for eighth rest. Next, we have 16th note. If in 8th rest we have one hook or head, in 16th note we have two heads or two hooks. In 16th rest, we also have two heads or two hooks. Okay, next we have the 32nd note and the 32nd rest. Now, let us identify the values of notes and rests. This is the standard values of notes and rests. So when we say values, these are the number of beats. Okay? When we say values, these are the number of beats. Just like for this one. As you can see, in whole note and whole rest, they have the same value or number of beats. They are 4. Next, we have half note and half rest. And their value is 2. So they have 2 beats. Next, we have the quarter note and the quarter rest. And they have 1 beat. Eighth note and eighth rest, they have half beat. 16th note and 16th rest is 1/4 beat. Then we have 32nd note and 32nd rest. They have 1/8 beat. So as you can see, every notes and every rest that we use has their value. They have values. They have number of beats, just like this one. Since we already know the different kinds of notes and rest and their values, we're going now to proceed with this question. I want you to write this question in your notebook and write your answer also. And then we're going to discuss your answer on the next meeting. Okay? Why notes and rest are important in music? Why these notes and rest are important in music book. After writing that, you're going to proceed to the next part of this lesson for your quiz. So get ready for your quiz.
The quiz password is music4. Capital MUSIC 4.
Thank you very much and make sure to access your quiz after this lesson. Have a nice day, everyone.